In this video, I'll show you how to add a boomerang effect to CapCut videos. First, open the CapCut app on your phone and tap New Project. Select the video you want to edit from your gallery, then tap Add to import it into the timeline. Once your video appears in the editor, play it once and choose the exact moment where you want the boomerang effect to happen. A boomerang effect means your clip plays forward, then reverses backward, creating a short, looping motion that looks smooth and dynamic. Move the playhead to the point where you want the effect to begin. Tap the video clip, then tap Split from the bottom menu. After that, move the playhead to the point where you want the boomerang section to end, and tap Split again. You should now have a separate small clip in the middle of your timeline. Tap that clip to select it. This is the part we are going to turn into the boomerang effect. Next, tap Copy or Duplicate, depending on the version of CapCut you are using. CapCut will create an identical copy of the selected clip and place it right next to the original. Now tap the copied clip. Scroll through the tools at the bottom until you find Reverse, then tap it. CapCut will process the clip and make it play backward. When the reverse process is finished, play the section from the beginning. You should see the motion play normally first, and then immediately play backward. That forward and backward movement is your boomerang effect. To make the effect feel cleaner, zoom in on the timeline and trim the edges of both clips. Try to remove any extra frames that make the loop feel slow or awkward. You can also adjust the speed if you want a more energetic result. Tap the forward clip, choose speed, and slightly increase it. Then do the same thing for the reversed clip, using the same speed setting so both parts match. If you want the boomerang to repeat several times, select both the forward and reversed clips, then duplicate them again. Place the copies directly after the first pair to create a longer looping effect. Once you are happy with the result, tap the Export button in the top right corner. Choose your preferred resolution and frame rate, then save the finished video to your device. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.